Imagine the subtle elegance of a well-designed table, standing firm on its legs while complementing the style of the room. But have you ever paused to consider the journey that brought us these unsung heroes of design? Metal table legs, often overlooked, tell a fascinating story of human ingenuity, design evolution, and cultural transformation. In this video, we'll dive deep into the history, craftsmanship, and enduring allure of metal table legs. The story of metal table legs is a captivating narrative woven through the threads of design evolution, technological advancements, and shifting cultural preferences. From the earliest rudimentary forms crafted by hand to the sleek, innovative designs we see today, metal has consistently proven its worth as a versatile and enduring material for supporting our furniture. In the nascent stages of furniture construction, dating back to ancient civilizations, tables were often simple platforms supported by legs of wood or stone. Metal, when employed, was primarily relegated to decorative accents or the reinforcement of joints, constrained by the limitations of primitive metalworking practices. The widespread use of metal for entire table legs was hindered by the difficulty in producing consistently strong and uniform pieces. During the Middle Ages, furniture became more elaborate, often adorned with intricate metalwork. However, metal table legs remained a rarity, with wood continuing its reign as the dominant material. Blacksmiths, skilled artisans in the art of working iron, created decorative ironwork for chests, doors, and architectural elements, but the fabrication of complex metal table legs presented a significant challenge. The focus of the time was primarily on durability and functional strength, with less emphasis on intricate design aesthetics. The Renaissance period marked a resurgence of interest in classical forms and artistic expression. While wood remained prevalent, metal began to assume a more prominent role in furniture design. Advancements in metalworking techniques, including casting and forging, enabled the creation of more complex and decorative metal components. Nevertheless, full metal table legs were still uncommon, typically reserved for high-end pieces or specialized furniture crafted for specific purposes. The Industrial Revolution irrevocably transformed the landscape of metal table leg production. The emergence of mass production methods, such as the Bessemer process for steel manufacturing, dramatically increased the availability and affordability of metal. This surge in metal production led to its increased use in furniture construction, including table legs. Cast iron, prized for its strength and moldability, became a popular choice. The Victorian era, known for its penchant for ornamentation, embraced elaborate cast iron table legs featuring intricate patterns and designs, reflecting the ornate aesthetic of the time. The 20th century ushered in a paradigm shift in furniture design, characterized by the rise of modernism and its emphasis on functionality and simplicity. Metal, particularly steel, became the quintessential material for many iconic designs. Tubular steel, pioneered by influential designers like Marcel Breuer, facilitated the creation of lightweight yet robust table legs, exemplified by the iconic Vasily chair and other Bauhaus-inspired furniture. This era witnessed the birth of the hairpin leg, a simple yet elegant design fashioned from bent steel rods, which became a defining characteristic of mid-century modern style. The mid-century modern movement further solidified the popularity of metal table legs, with designers exploring new forms, finishes, and applications. Tapered metal legs, frequently crafted from brass or steel, became a common feature of dining tables, desks, and other furniture pieces. The clean lines and minimalist aesthetic of this era emphasized the inherent beauty of the material itself, with polished or brushed metal finishes gaining widespread appeal. The latter part of the 20th century and the dawn of the 21st century saw a diversification of styles and materials in metal table leg design. Stainless steel emerged as a popular choice due to its exceptional durability and resistance to corrosion, while aluminum offered a lightweight and versatile alternative. The rise of industrial design brought back the raw, unfinished aesthetic of metal, with exposed welds, visible rivets, and rough textures becoming fashionable design elements. Today, the market offers a vast array of metal table legs encompassing diverse styles, materials, and finishes. From sleek, minimalist designs that embody contemporary aesthetics to ornate, decorative pieces that evoke historical styles, metal continues to be a versatile and indispensable material in furniture construction. The hairpin leg has experienced a resurgence in popularity, alongside other mid-century modern designs. Industrial-style pipe legs and bracket legs are also widely utilized, adding an urban and industrial edge to contemporary interiors. The burgeoning DIY movement has further broadened the horizons of metal table leg design. With readily accessible welding equipment and metalworking tools, individuals can craft custom legs from repurposed materials or design their own unique forms, fostering a spirit of creativity and personal expression. This has fueled a surge in innovation, with metal table legs often becoming a central focal point of furniture design. This exploration extends beyond mere functionality, venturing into the realm of artistic expression. Metal, with its inherent malleability and strength, empowers designers to push the boundaries of form, creating sculptural pieces that transcend their utilitarian purpose. The strategic use of negative space, intricate metalwork, and innovative joining techniques transforms table legs into works of art, elevating the entire piece of furniture to a new level of aesthetic sophistication. The inherent versatility of metal also makes it adaptable to a broad spectrum of design styles, from the crisp lines of contemporary minimalism to the elaborate details of traditional craftsmanship. Metal table legs can be seamlessly integrated into diverse interior design schemes, complementing various materials and color palettes. Whether it's the sleekness of stainless steel in a modern kitchen or the warm glow of brass in a vintage-inspired living room, metal table legs adapt effortlessly to their surroundings. Furthermore, the inherent durability and longevity of metal make it an ideal material for table legs. Unlike wood, which can be susceptible to moisture damage, insect infestation, or warping, metal offers exceptional resistance to wear and tear. This inherent resilience ensures that tables with metal legs can endure the passage of time, maintaining their structural integrity and aesthetic appeal for generations. The sustainability of metal table legs is another important consideration. Metal is a highly recyclable material, and the use of recycled metal in furniture production contributes to reducing environmental impact. Moreover, the durability of metal furniture translates to a longer lifespan, minimizing the need for frequent replacements and reducing waste generation. Metal table legs have not only shaped furniture design but also reflect the cultural and technological milestones of each era. In many ways, their story parallels humanity's evolution, from the rise of industrialization to the embrace of sustainability in modern design. Today, metal legs are at the forefront of trends that prioritize both functionality and artistry. They're a testament to the fact that even the simplest elements of design can make a profound statement. The DIY movement, for instance, has revolutionized how we interact with furniture. Metal legs are no longer just prefabricated components. They're now customizable canvases for personal creativity. From upcycled materials to innovative geometric designs, homeowners and designers alike are rediscovering the potential of metal. So, the next time you pull up a chair to a table or rest your elbows on a sturdy surface, take a moment to appreciate the artistry and history beneath it. Metal table legs are more than just functional supports. They're enduring symbols of design innovation, cultural shifts, and human craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this exploration into their story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What design trends or stories would you like us to cover next? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next video.